I have another project I want to work on today. We were working on a reversible pumpkin and ornament front door wood project that is in the makings. But I thought I'd take some wood like this. Last year I downed a small tree. It was thick at the bottom, thin at the top. And so I'm going to take this and show you how to build a snowman out of this. Very inexpensive, very fun to make. It's going to be rustic because it has bark on it. And then you could put some little greenery at the bottom, at the base of it, and make a real cute little project. You can paint it, leave it rustic if you want. So I'm going to cut a real small piece of this. Then I have one a little bit bigger. I'm going to cut about a 1/2 inch piece. Then I've got a real big daddy here. This piece here is going to be about 3/4 inch wide because I want it weightier at the bottom. Anyway, let me cut them and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we're making a small snowman for a dear friend of mine. I have a nice little log that I had dropped last year, a small tree. So the tree was thinner at the top, bigger at the bottom. So what I did, I cut 3 pieces. That's from the bottom. That's right here is next. That's a little bit smaller. See this? And then you can have a top piece that's smaller yet. So we're going to make us a little snowman here. Then I wanted a base for it, so I found an old piece of wood. I'm going to drill a hole, put a screw right through here to hold that. That's the next thing I'm going to do. Then I got to find a way to attach this one to right here. Then I need to find a way to attach the top one to that piece right there. So let me see what I can do and we'll get back to you. Okay, let me give you an update on my little snowman project. I took the base and actually I trimmed the edges off to make it look kind of more cool looking, I guess. Then I drilled a hole in the bottom and I did a pilot hole in this piece of wood here and put a screw from here into here. That's about a 2-inch screw, so it's going to go way up into here. I really want it to hold, and I think it's going to be pretty sturdy. Then what I'm going to do with this piece, the next piece, which is right here, I'm going to put a screw hole here and then a screw hole at the very bottom. Now you got to be very careful when you drill these holes because you don't want the piece of board or the piece of wood to crack. Let's see here, like this one did. This is one I did earlier. Look at this. It cracked, so I had to cut me another piece. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screw it through here, get it going real good. Then I'm going to back it out and I'm going to pop the head off with a hacksaw. Then I've got a way to screw it on here and here, and then I'll put that on there and then slowly screw this on at the top. So anyway, that's my game plan. Let's see if it works. I'll get back with you. And here's my finished snowman. 3 levels, made out of good rustic log wood. My wife put a nice ribbon around his neck. There he is with a red cloth for the base, but you could put blue, gold, white to represent snow. Oh, he'd be so cool. A lot of people would love these. At a craft show, they're probably worth $25, $30. Put some greenery on them if you want. Anyway, thanks for watching.